everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all love those nice hot puris, right? Today I'm going to share a wonderful aloo sabzi that pairs fantastically with puris. Let's get started and check it out. So the first step is to cook the potatoes. I've taken 4 medium-sized potatoes. Just put them in the pressure cooker. Pour enough water and pressure cook the potatoes for about 4 to 5 whistles till they are completely cooked. After 5 whistles, turn off the stove and keep the potatoes aside. Next, let's make a coarse powder of these 4 ingredients, which is 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and half teaspoon peppercorns. So I am just pounding these in a pestle and mortar, but if you want, you can also pulse them in a mixer jar. You don't want it to be a very fine powder. Now it's always nice to have a pestle and mortar like this if you want to make fresh masalas, and if you don't have one, I'll give you the link in the description. You can always purchase one online. So let's keep this aside. So the potatoes are cooked. Just peel off the skin and we're just going to roughly mash them. Roughly just crush the potatoes and keep it aside. Now that all the elements for the sabji is ready, let's start making the aloo sabji. To a nice white kadai, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is lightly heated, I'm adding a few whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, and about half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute the onions for a few minutes. Once they've turned to a nice golden brown color, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 green chilli finely chopped. So if you'd like it a bit spicy, you can add an extra green chilli. Next, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. So we need to saute the tomatoes till they become a little mushy. I'm sure this particular aloo sabji is done differently in many households. So you can see the tomatoes have become a little mushy. Now it's time to add all the spice powders. Starting with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is asparagus powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon amchur powder. So now I'm going to add the freshly pounded masala. So give that a nice mix. So the amchur powder will give a nice balance to the dish and it will give that very nice mild tanginess. So I'm just adding a little water to cook this masala, just so the raw smell goes. Just added about 2 cups of water. Well, this particular aloo sabji goes very well with puris or chapatis and rotis. But let me know what you guys enjoy at home with your puris in the comment section below. Is it potato masala, potato curry, or chana masala, or any other special side dish? Do let me know in the comment section below. Close the kadai after adding the water and let this cook for about 5 minutes on medium-high flame. After 5 minutes, you can add the cooked potatoes. So once you add the potatoes, mix it all well. Just make sure it's all well combined with the masala. We need to let the potatoes cook in this masala at least for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. To add more flavor to the dish, I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Close the kadai and let the gravy simmer for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. After 10 minutes, I'm finishing off by adding some crushed kasuri methi. Finally, I'm adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. So you can see the gravy is thickened up. The potato has absorbed all that beautiful flavors. turn off the stove, and this aloo sabji is ready to be enjoyed with some nice hot puris or chapatis. Let's make some hot fluffy puris to go with that beautiful aloo sabji. Time to enjoy my hot puris. Wow, that flavor of the sabji, let me tell you, is just fabulous. I can't stop eating. Incredibly tasty. Adding that fresh masala to the sabji definitely packed a punch, and it's so flavorful and very tasty. So instead of making the usual chana masala or the usual potato curry, try this one. I'm telling you, everybody will absolutely love and enjoy it. Give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.